Two joggers left Delhi for Noida simultaneously. The first jogger stopped 42 minutes later when he was 1 kilometer short of Noida, and the other one stopped 52 minutes later when he was 2 kilometers short of Noida. If the first jogger jogged as many as second and second as many kilometers as the first, then the first one would need 17 minutes lesser. Okay, so basically what it is given, they are jogging from Delhi to Noida. Okay, Delhi to Noida. Suppose this whole distance is x plus 1. Now, the first jogger stopped 42 minutes later when he was 1 kilometer short. Okay, so jogger 1 kilometer short means distance covered by him is how much? X plus 1 minus 1, that is x. Okay, this is distance, and time taken by him is how much? That is 42. So 42 is time. So his speed will be how much? His speed will be distance upon time, this is x by 42 will be his speed, right? Now jogger 2, later the first jogger stopped when he was this, and the other means jogger 2 stopped when he was 2 kilometers short of Noida. Okay, so x plus 1 minus 2, that is x minus 1 is the distance covered by him, and the time taken by him is how much? 52 minutes. Okay, so 52 is the time taken by him, and this will be, so speed will be how much? Distance upon time, that is x minus 1 divided by 52. Okay, so this part of the question is done. The question is done till here. Now after this, if the first jogger jogged as many kilometers as the second, okay, so jogger 1 will have to cover how much distance? Jogger 1, first jogger jogged as the second, so jogger 1 has to cover the distance covered by jog 2, so that is x minus 1. Okay, he has to cover, and jogger 2 will have to cover how much? And second as many kilometers as the first, so first covered how much? First covered x, so this will be x. This is distance. Okay, now it is given that the first would need 17 minutes lesser than the second. Okay, so time taken by second minus time taken by first is 17 minutes is given to us. Okay, time taken is what? It's simply distance upon speed. Okay, so distance by jogger 2, speed by jogger 2, and distance by jogger 1, speed of jogger 1 equal to 17. Okay, distance of jogger 1 is how much? Jogger 2 is how much? This is x. Speed of jogger 2 is how much? We have find out over here, right? Speed of jogger 2 is x minus 1 by 52. So x minus 1 by 52, this is one bracket, this is other bracket, minus distance of jogger 1 is how much? X minus 1, and speed of jogger 1 is how much? That is over here, x by 42. Okay, so x by 42, and this time difference is given to us as 17. From here you have to just solve quadratic and you will get the value of x to be 14. Okay, now the question is find the distance between Delhi and Noida. So distance between Delhi and Noida is not x, it is x plus 1. Okay, so answer will be x plus 1, that is x plus 1, that is 14 plus 1 equal to 15 is the answer. I hope this clears it out.